Tired of retyping documents from images? Today, I'll show you how to pull text straight from images using Microsoft Word's built-in OCR feature. First, open Microsoft Word and create a new document, or open an existing one. Next, click on the Insert tab at the top of the screen, and then select Pictures. Choose this device to locate the image you want to convert to text from your computer. Navigate to the folder where your image is stored, select the image file, and click Insert. Your image should now be visible in your Word document. Click on the image. This will activate the Picture Format tab at the top of the Word window. In the Picture Format tab, find the Wrap Text option in the drop-down menu. Select in front of text. This will allow you to move the image freely without affecting the layout initially. Now, click on the File tab in the top left corner of the Word window. Select Save As. Choose a location to save your file, and importantly, select PDF from the Save As type drop-down menu. Click Save. Close the original Word document and open the PDF you just saved. With Microsoft Word, you'll see a prompt saying Word will convert your PDF to an editable Word document. Click OK. Word will perform OCR on the image within the PDF, converting the text into editable text. You might need to make some minor formatting adjustments, and that's it. Now you can easily extract text from any image directly in Word, saving you time and effort. Subscribe for more quick tips.